Ready to unlock the power of advanced geographic analysis by creating stunning multi-layered maps in Tableau. Let's start with a basic map, like this one showing sales by state. Now, drag your geographic dimension, such as state, to the detail shelf in a marks card. This will ensure Tableau recognizes your geographic locations. To add another layer, we'll create a calculated field. This allows us to manipulate our data. For example, let's create a field that categorizes states based on their sales performance: high, medium, or low. Name the field sales category and use an if statement to define these categories. Now, drag the sales category field to the color shelf on the second marks card. This will color code the states based on their sales performance, giving you a clear visual representation. To combine these two map layers, right-click on the second geographic pill in the row shelf and select dual axis. This overlays the second map onto the first. Next, right-click on the second axis and select Synchronize Axis. This ensures that both maps are aligned correctly. Finally, adjust the marks cards for each layer. You can change the color, size, and transparency of the marks to create a visually appealing and informative map. For example, you might make the sales data more transparent to highlight the sales category layer. Congratulations, you've now created a multi-layered map in Tableau, allowing you to visualize different aspects of your data on a single map, providing a comprehensive view of spatial patterns. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.